Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I have a really interesting special new offering, a little bit lighter on the special, from RYDER, and this is probably one of their first folding kitchen knife that I saw. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about it. So this is the model number RR2196. So this is a large knife, I must say. This is really a large knife, and if you like Rough Rider knives like I do, and would probably would like to have something also in the kitchen, they fill the gap in this marketplace. So yeah, let's talk about the Sous Chef from Rough Rider. So firstly, let me give you the quick specifications. So we have a roll length of 24.3 centimeters on 9.5 inches. So really a nice, large, functional knife, can be used in the kitchen, of course, no problems. We have a blade length of 10.6 centimeters or 4.2 inches. The handle length is 13.3 centimeters or 5.2 inches. So I have XL size hands, so definitely nice room for all sizes of hands. The blade thickness is through 2 millimeters, so that is exceptionally well grinded to a really sharp edge. And the blade width is 2.9 centimeters or 1.4 inches, 1.14 inches. So the thickness is 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches, and the width is 2.9 or 1.14. The handle thickness is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. We have, like always, 440A on the blade, and nice and polished G10 and steel liners, bolsters and pins. This is a backlock construction, so you have no accidents and fold it on your hands. And the weight is 156 grams or 5.5 ounces. We have a really nice Santoku blade shape with these cutouts there. So they will help you with the slicing. They are mainly there to separate the fibers of your cutting, if you're cutting vegetables and also meat, maybe probably also cheese. The sharpness out of the box is of course really nice and laser sharp. The opening method is via this triangular hole. We have a Rough Rider logo on the both bolsters and nothing else. Not on is there something? No. So these are made in China. It is not stated on this one, but trust me on that one. The fit and finish, like with Rough Rider knives, is always excellent. Only if you have some materials like bone, then I experience some little cracks and dings, but that is to be expected. With that material is always hard to work with on the great scale, like a production like Rough Rider does. But probably the best part, not only you are getting a huge knife, beautiful knife, it can be used in the kitchen. 440A is definitely a nice stainless steel, so you will probably not have any kind of huge problems with rusting. But the best part of this knife is of course the price, so the value. The value of this knife is through the roof. That is, if you are buying it directly from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Why? Because they own the brand. So they own the brand. So they are making these in China, and they ship back to US. And you have a few distributors around the world. Most known are obviously Smoky Mountain Knife Works and Haney Haynes for the Europe, or now for United Kingdom. And the best part, like I mentioned, is the price. Not to talk a long time around this, but the price is $16.99. That is without shipping directly from US. So if you are looking to buy it in Europe, then you will pay significantly more. So here, added with all the import and taxes, you are looking at around 30 euros or $35. So more than twice the price. But yeah, it is what it is. Let's face it, also for double the price, this is an excellent knife. If you are searching for something like this, maybe you are traveling around, maybe you are a student, so you are usually at the dorm, and maybe you are visiting friends and going back home. To have a dedicated knife for your meal prep, it is always good. Yeah. More on that in the future. I have another really nice knife that I will feature soon here on my channel, which will be also a contender for that kind of niche task. But let's face it, $17 for such a beautiful large knife, and definitely you could use it for also all sorts of things, not only for kitchen work. This will cut everything really nice. Also, maybe if you are a hobbyist or hobby knife maker, you can get this one and shape whatever, reshape or regrind the blade for whatever shape you like. So there are no boundaries set for your imagination, so take it as it is. So yeah, I am really astonished completely that they produced such a high quality design or knife for so low price. I can't imagine how much these must cost, because obviously the company has to make some money, and lots of cost goes into materials and also in the manufacturing. But $17, I hope that was not a mistake on their part, and they will in the future raise the price when they probably not when they see this video. But yeah, it is what it is. Take it or leave it. If you like, go check them out. They will probably sell out really soon, just because the high value proposition that goes with the knife. So let me give you a few size comparisons. So let's start with the Red Model 1. My Ace Grand from Giant Mouse, Bug Vintage Pro, the large Gractilian from Benchmade, this is my RYDER SMG in my Carta, Cebu from Two and Ice, K-Bar Dozier from K-Bar, Kershaw Skyline, and Spyderco Endura. So yes, as you can see, a really nice and a large, beautiful knife. If you have any questions, like always, please leave comments down below. I will link the site of the product directly, like I always try to do. If the product is available, you go check them out. Please keep in mind the site can change the location, but usually if you go and search on the site, you will probably find the product if it is still available down the road at whatever time you are looking at this video. So I would like to thank you, wish you a wonderful day, and hope to see you soon. Bye.